Okay, so I'm gonna upload this file or try to. So it says failed to save changes. I don't know if the size is too big or what, but I've changed the size of the file several times. I've even tried to uh, type in or paste the records that I have to suppress, and it still won't work. So I really just don't know where to go from here. I don't know what to do with the files. I don't know what the next step is. So that's the video.